Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a little packing video. We're off not too far in the distant future on a 8-day camping trip. And people seem to like my shorts of when we went to Padstow and did like the little makeup bit, the little skincare, the clothes. So I thought I'd just do a video of what I'm going to take camping, because obviously it's going to be very different to the Padstow, and I'm going very minimal, so I just thought it might be of interest, who knows. So I'm going to start off with the skincare. I'm going to take as minimal as I can, because we need to pack as light as we can. Now I'm not going to I will take a little bit of makeup because we're going to go out for one night on the trip, because apart from that I'm going to be wearing no makeup. So I think what I'm going to do for ease, and this is where the Naturissimo skin box I got in the summer really helps, I'm going to take the Madeira micellar water, A, to take makeup off when I do wear it on that last night, but also just to kind of give my skin a quick wipe over throughout the day, because I'm not going to take a big cleanser with me, so I'm just going to take that as like to clean my face with. I'm not going to worry about toner or a face scrub. I'll take the eye cream because the eye cream doesn't use up too much space. This is the Well Elder Smoothing Eye Cream, and actually I do want to take this because I think for camping this is such a great thing, the Well Elder Skin Food, because you can get quite dry skin. And I will actually just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll take a handful of these little things just to kind of, like I said, give my face a quick wipe over. So, well, what else could I take? Just something small. I won't bother with serum. I will take the Antipods night cream, the Nourishing Night Cream of avocado pear. And then I will just take a face cream as well. I know I've got the Well Elder, but that's more like if my skin suddenly gets really dry or something. So I'll just take, I don't think I've got many. I'll take that one. Let's take this. So this is just the Balance Me Collagen Boost Moisturiser. I'll just add that. I'll just take a little bit of that and pop it on. I think that's what I'm going to take for skincare. Actually that's what I was going to take. I was going to take this. This is an empty bottle of the e.l.f. Flexi Mist. It's just full of water. But I might pack that because I don't know how the weather's going to be yet. I remember last year we went camping in Cornwall. We did a big old walk and it was so hot. So actually that might be quite nice, just give a squirt on the face every so often. So I'm just going to take that. I think that might be it for skincare. We need to go and get little bottles of like shower gel and shampoo and stuff. But for skincare, I think oh no, I need to take this. This is the Organic Pharmacy SPF 50. So that's going to be, it's for face and body. I prefer it just on my face, and I have actually got another body one in the other room, which I'll go and show you. The only thing I also need to pack, which hasn't arrived yet, I ordered it a couple of days ago, so it should arrive not too long, is a wax stick for the hair, because I'll always have my hair up when going camping or walking. It just makes life so much easier, but I've quite frizzy hair, and just to get the flyaways, like if it's windy, just get the flyaways down. I think it'd be quite handy. And then I've got like a bit of a thicker bristle brush, almost like Jamie's beard brush, but like an actual brush, just to kind of help smooth everything out, because yeah, it's just so much easier to stick hair up, I think, away. So I think that's all the skincare I'm going to take. So let's move on to the makeup portion. Okay, so on to the makeup side of things. I'm just going to pop it in this bag because there's not really much, so I won't bother taking my little elephant bag. Keep it nice and tidy. So very, very basic. Like I said, it's just one night we're going to go out for some food. So I want a little bit of something, but I'm not going to go crazy. So what I'll probably do is I'm going to take... It's not in there. Where is it? It might be in here actually. Yeah. I go very, very minimal. So I'm going to go the CC cream from Madeira because I really like this. I just think just all over would be quite nice. I will take a little bit of Lily Lilo Mineral Concealer in Belly Beige for that, which which I will need a brush for. The other thing I won't need a brush for, so let's just get a brush for that. Found it, my little setting brush. I'll then just take, I'll just take a bronzer and a blusher. So there's Hint Beauty concealer but in deep, and then RMS blusher in Beloved, and I want to take a little brush for that for ease. And then for brows, I'll actually just take the Lavera eyebrow, and then I'll pop mascara in, which is currently the Kiko, and then I'll just take my Rare Beauty lip oil. That'll do. I think that'll do. I don't know where my other lip oil's gone, so I might just take this for like hydration throughout the day. It's just the e.l.f. Jelly Pop. I think it might be quite handy. Okay, so that's makeup. Like I said, relatively basic. I'm going to take dry shampoo as well, because I think that's going to be a must when we go away, because Jamie will use that as well. Hair, let's actually do some hair. Like I said, I'm going to keep my hair up, so I want plenty of hair bubbles, I think. Just take a couple of hair ties, and with that, definitely a few hair bobby pins, because like I said, my hair is frizzy and it just does a bit of flyaway, so hair pins I find are quite essential. I kind of want to put those in little bags. I feel like they're just going to go flying in there. If I got like a small, I do have a small bag somewhere. It's a little cute little. I can just take, actually that can be my bobby pins and my hair ties, just to make it easy to find. And then I'm just going to take a range of like scrunchies, just to kind of have some fun with the hair, because I'm not doing makeup, so I kind of want to make up for it with a bit of fun with the hair. So I'm going to take, I'll take that scrunchie. I think I'll go down with braids potentially. I'll take a scrunchie, I'll take a claw clip, because that's quite handy. Just to mix it up. A headband, softer headband, and a nice headscarf, because I like those. Just to kind of accessorise the hair. Oh! This is the body sun cream I've got. So it's Everyday Humans On My Bod SPF 50 sunscreen lotion. It's got cucumber, green tea, hyaluronic acid. I'm invisible and dry touch SPF. Now it's for face and body, but I've read reviews on it and it's got really good reviews, but they've just all said don't use it on your face because it kind of stings the eyes. So I've got my own one for face, and this will just be for body because I burn very easily. I want to say that might be it for face. The other thing I guess I'll oh, actually, other accessories I'll quickly show. Oh, hairbrush. I'm gonna need a hairbrush. That can go in there. Right, that should be good. I've got a couple of pairs of sunglasses. These are quite cheap. One I can throw in my bag, one can stay in my car, because I think they're quite handy. And then I did get my cap from Go Outdoors. You will see that in the vlog. We went to Go Outdoors. It was like 30% off everything. I really needed a cap, so just got myself a cap. For that. So that's kind of skincare, makeup, hair. I think that's all I'll take. It all fits nicely in here, and there's still room for more toiletries. So Jamie can fit toiletries in here. I can fit more toiletries. It's just one bag of toiletries, which is good. So let's move on to clothes. Okay, so now on to the clothes portion. So again, we've actually got some little pods, and there's 2 campsites that have washing machines, so we can definitely wash stuff up. So again, I'm going to try and go as minimal as possible for the 8 days. So what I will need, so I will take my pyjamas. We are going to do a wash before we go, so some of this will go straight in the bag, some of this will be put in a pile for washing, ready to go. But I've got some my green pyjamas. for because obviously we're gonna have one slightly nicer outfit for going out, so I'm gonna take my black jeans. That'll work. I'm just going to take my pair of like beige trainers. That'll be fine because it's a mile walk from the campsite to the restaurant, so that's probably best. So I'll take clothes, I'll take jeans, and I'll take my trainers, and then top wise, I'll probably just take my favourite top I like to wear a lot, which is me orange's top. I think I took this to Padstow as well. So that'll be for that outfit. Obviously I'm going to pack like socks and underwear, but I won't make you watch that bit. So onto the actual walking bit and the camp stuff. So I've got a new pair of leggings because I really needed some because my other one's got holes in. So those will be my main walking ones throughout the day. So I'll pack those. Take a spare pair of leggings as well. I like my other walking leggings because they've got a tie at the front, and I like ones that tie up. These ones don't, but these actually stay up quite nicely. So again, a pair of leggings, some walking leggings, and a spare pair. And like I said, we can just wash our clothes as we go. And then I think we're going to take about, we're just going to take like 4 tops, 4 t-shirts. And we'll wash as we go. Actually, I might take 5 and have one for like when we're just chilling at the camp each night, because in case we get hot throughout the day, but we shall see. So let's have a look. Yeah, I think this one I can just chill around the camping because this is it's really quite big on me and really kind of floaty, which I quite like. So nice, cool, but it's also got paint down it. So that could be the one for like chilling around the campsite if I'm too hot after a day. So I'll just take this t-shirt. Basically all t-shirts is going with me. That t-shirt I'll just take this t-shirt, plain black one, yeah, and a green t-shirt. It's all t-shirts, not very exciting, but like I said, very different scenario to Padstow. So that's that. And then I've got my fleece, I've got black fleece, and then my slightly thinner fleece as well, because I imagine it's still going to be a bit chilly towards the end of the night, so, and just in case the weather's not so great, I'll take that. I've got a coat, my raincoat's already in the car, so that's fine. And now it's just underwear and like socks, pants, that fun stuff. So I think that's it really. Oh, actually. So I've got myself a new little backpack for when we kind of just do the little day trips out, because the first 3 days are, first 3 nights are in Dartmoor, and Dartmoor there's not much about and stuff, and it's very much me, that's where the majority of the walking is going to happen, because the rest of it would be driving, having a wander around, driving to the next place, having a wander around. So we'll take a slightly bigger backpack as well, but for slightly more days out, I got this. It's got an elephant on it. This is from bluepanda.co.uk. I've seen loads of these. I actually wanted a cat from them as well, but I didn't. I just got a bag which my parents very kindly got for my birthday. So it's going to be christened on this camping trip, which I think will be fun. So I'm going to put a few bits and pieces in here when we're out and about. Like I said, I'm going to take a slightly bigger one as well, which will just fill with any coats or whatever needs packing that won't fit in a bag. Because I think it's the 3rd day we are doing one of the tours, and it's kind of up and down. It's quite a big walk that day, so I'm going to take food and a mini cooker with us to cook our lunch on that walk. So I will take a slightly bigger backpack for that. There. I think that's it. I don't know if this video is interesting or not. Everyone seemed to quite like the shorts I did when we went to Padstow. I just thought it would be quite an interesting contrast between that and camping, because very different outfits are needed for those 2 things. I was going to take a look at a little summer dress for chilling around the campsite, but I'm not too fussed. I think we're good. I think I'm happy with that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was interesting. I don't know if it was. It might be quite quick actually, but yeah, I thought it'd be just quite cool to show you. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. The next video will be the September vlog, which I think I'm doing a different style with that one because we've been here, there and everywhere and not really been home. So it's a different style of vlog. So that'll probably be the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave any future request videos down below and I'll see you all in my next video.